check the new iPhone 14. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The price in Japan is for 128 GB. It's 201,600 yen. 256 is 220,320 yen. 512 GB is 257,040 yen. 1 terabyte 281,520 yen. So this is the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. 6.7-inch screen. Very clear, huh? Wow, camera is very clear. Wow, very nice. It's very nice phone. And this is the iPhone 14 Pro. Smaller size. This is 6.1 inches screen. How much the price for the iPhone 14 Pro? 128 GB is 175,680. 256 is 201,600. 512 is 238,320. 1 terabyte is 275,040. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro. This is the 14 Pro. Let's check the camera. Oh, also very nice. Oh, very clear. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14. So this is the iPhone 14. The price in Japan is 128 is 140,400 yen. 256 GB is 161,280. 512 is 201,600 yen. So this is the iPhone 14. Same size as the iPhone Pro. They are same size. 6.1 inch. So the bigger one is the iPhone Pro Max. Let's check the camera. Also very nice camera. So this is the iPhone 14 guys, the new one, 2022 model. iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone Pro, and iPhone 14. The three kinds of iPhone 14 mobile phones.
Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.